Chandel Amashung Moreh da National Lok Adalat Phamkhre, National Legal Service Authority Amashung Manipur State Legal Service Authority ki lamjing makhada District Legal Services Authority Chandel na sinduna Chandel Amashung Technopole District ki oina ngasi chahi asigi anirak shuba National Lok Adalat Phamkhre. Lok Adalat adu Chandel District ki oina bench number 1 haiduna CJM Chandel Complex ta aduga Technopole District ki oina bench number 2 haiduna Moreh Court Complex ta phongkhibani. Chandel District ki oina District Legal Services Authority Chandel ki chairperson su oiribi District and Session Judge Chandel Bini Ngangomna chairperson oikibaga loinana retainer lawyer Langhu Simon Anal amasung Chief Legal Aid Defense Council Ngariambam Salai Mangangna members sing oina sargyaki. Aduga Moreh gi oina Judicial Magistrate First Class Moreh Fakhrul Islam Chowdhury na chairperson oikibaga loinana SDPO Moreh Mohammad Raju Khan amasung Advocate Jilkochon Lungdim anina members sing oina sargyaki. Ngasigi National Lok Adalat aduda tongan ba case sing punna case tarahumdoi waroshin puraktuna lupa lakh mangaga lising yang kaitaruka chatruka nipan khungat pangamkhre haina District Legal Service Authority Chandel gi Secretary Phongre Shung Piena Phongdorakli.